Printing one landscape image across 2 sheets of paper in Word is very easy. Before printing it on 2 sheets, first change the page orientation from portrait to landscape. Then, resize the image so that it fits the full width of the page. After that, you can start printing. Open the Print menu. Go to Print Properties, and select Page Setup. Next, change the page layout setting from normal size to tiling/poster. You can see the print preview on the side to check how the image will be split across the pages. Then, click OK to save the settings. Finally, click Print to begin the printing process, and you will be able to see the result. So, was that easy? I hope this tutorial is helpful for all of you. That's how to print one landscape image across 2 sheets of paper in Word. See you in the next video.